Divorce in Goa. What happens to real estate property? Let's uncover some truths that no one speaks about. Just all you have to do is stay tuned till the end of this video. My name is Deron Almeida and I'm the founder of Limestone Realty, and in today's video we are going to specifically address divorces and its impact on real estate. So let's get to it. Goa's divorce rate is higher than the national average. Now, for example, in the rest of the country, the divorce rate is around 1%, but in Goa, it stands as high as 5% to 1.4%. That's approximately 25 divorces a month. So 25 divorces a month do have an impact on real estate. So the first thing to know is communal of assets. When you are married in Goa, you are married under communal of assets, and whether you acquired property before or after marriage, it is jointly owned. And on divorce, it is equally split 50-50. What happens to inheritance? Well, your ex-spouse who's divorced loses all rights in the properties of their in-laws, but the children out of that marriage still inherit equal proportion shares. The practical issues in real estate post-divorce. So either both the spouses will either need to sell the property or divide the property among themselves by paying the other party off the proportionate market value. Now, in case they are not able to do that, then a partition suit will have to be filed to divide the property, and this takes up a lot of time. If either of the parties have taken a loan on some of the properties, then that loan will need to be restructured as well. During the pendency of a case, neither party can do anything about the property, so the property remains stuck and just sits there. And say, for example, either of the spouse gets somebody to buy the property during the proceedings of the divorce, then consent of both parties is required. Now just think about it. Two parties are not ready to speak to each other, so they're getting divorced. How will you manage to get somebody's consent when you're having this done? So if you're watching this video and you are either buying or selling a property where either of the party is either divorced or going through a divorce, you need to protect your money and your property immediately. Book a session with me to understand more on this subject. Deron Almeida from Limestone Realty. I'll see you in my next video.